Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to search for jobs in the Indeed app. Using the job search feature allows you to easily find relevant job listings that match your skills and interests. So, let's get started on how to search for jobs in the Indeed app. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Now, tap the search icon at the top. Type in the job title or keywords like graphic designer. To narrow your search by location, add the city name in the location box. Now, explore the job listings and apply to the ones that interest you. And that's how you can search for jobs in the Indeed app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.